What's up there? Back checking in with y'all again, man. Got the boys with me. See Ben right there. Bray holding the camera. We finna roll up on Mooch. Money Muuch!
Money Muuch!
We finna roll up on him. I think he took the engine out of the OBS truck. He mentioned that he wanted to pressure wash it or get it to a pressure washer. He put me onto a pressure washer the other day, so it's only right that I return the favor. I'm gonna load the pressure wash on the truck, slide by there, let him use it, surprise him, and we'll, I guess, get some footage of cleaning his engine bay or whatever he's gonna do with it. I don't know, maybe he spilled some fluid all in the driveway, I don't know. We stepped out of the house, came out the door, FedEx lady was dropping this off right here. Follow me over here, let me see what this is, let me show y'all. Let's see if you're gonna like it. Ben, come here.
Oh Lord, what is it?
Tell me what you think, Ben.
Ooh, I know what it is.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh, it's chrome? Dang.
Which one is that gonna go on?
It's just like the one on the other truck.
With
The
chrome.
for the dually. We got one for the black truck.
Okay.
I like that mesh style right there. So,
Yeah.
hey.
That thing.
Woo! Look at that. It looks like we have a bling effect on.
What, Bray?
Looks like we
Step
have
on
the
this side,
bling
look at
effect.
Whew.
That is nice.
That's gonna be sick right there.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna be absolutely sick. What y'all think? Drop a comment. Tell me what you think. Let's get it back in the box and let's get this thing loaded. I also got this, what do they call it? Jute backing. This is gonna go underneath the carpet for the dually. 3 yards.
It's that colorful stuff.
Big Z, the one that sent me the carpet, the one that let me get the carpet. He recommended this stuff, says just like the factory OEM, got it off Amazon. So jute backing, we're gonna load these, put these in the shed, then we're gonna load this pressure washer and we're gonna head over to Money Muuch's house.
Look at Ben. Do it again, Ben. He said,
all right, hey, we loaded up and ready to go. Put in the trash. I guess we'll do another cold start. Everybody loves those, seems like.
yeah. Hold
I
on.
don't know.
Let me get
Bray's baby about to fire up.
Let's go. Oh, it's extra loud. Look at Ben.
Get out of here, boy. All right, that's it. We're finna roll. We're finna roll. Holla at Mooch, and we'll bring y'all that footage when we get there. Peace.
So weird. Hey, what's up, Ben? We're at the Mooch's house.
Headed to Mucho's house.
Yep. Get the stick shit. Just jamming out.
Everybody riding today.
Yep.
Y'all in Bentley face. Ride, man. We just hanging out. Gonna pull up on Money Muuch.
Money Muuch!
Beautiful day. Just ride.
We're almost there.
We almost there. We'll hit y'all when we get there. Why? We in here, boy.
What's up, man?
I can't call it. You been working today?
Yes, sir. Got your drip on today, ain't you?
What you doing over there?
Oh, you know.
Hey, before you get too far, come here. I got something for you.
You got something for me?
You mentioned you needed to use it, didn't you? What you trying to do?
Oh, yeah.
You trying to do it now or you trying to do it later?
We might just take it to the car wash and do it. What you think?
I don't know. That sounds pretty strong right there now.
It is.
2700 PSI.
You
We're gonna have to load it. I thought you'd be more happy, Money Muuch.
I am. I'm super happy.
I thought you'd be more happy
I'm
that I
super
bought,
happy.
that I
Hey,
bought
all the happiness on the inside.
Oh, I feel like a Twinkie.
Like a Well, you crazy, man. That man said like a Twinkie.
Dang, man.
I wish I had a coffee and got a push broom.
Yeah.
I might need to go buy me one.
Pop that hood. Let's see what it's looking like on my.
Yeah, let's see what we ain't got.
Yeah, let's see what we ain't got right now. Hey, you finna level up though.
Oh yeah, we leveling up.
Daddy, look
That's
at
what
the
we
shade
do.
right there.
That's what we do around here.
Sure did, boy.
Woo! Shouts out to my man JD,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Dillinger.
Yes, sir. Came over here early, you said, didn't you?
Early, we been out here. We got out here early and did. He had a time crunch. I think the wife had a honey do this for him. Yes, sir, Ski.
Yeah, we just pulled up on Mooch, man, to
Yeah,
see
they
what
pulled
he had
up
going
on the
on.
brother. It's always good to see your friend.
Yes, sir.
That ain't that much some sawdust.
Oh, yeah.
That's all I like. Dang. But them folks are, hey, they're repurposing the thing these days, boy.
Yeah, you're right about that.
But that good though. That good for the environment.
Well, you got that thing out today.
Hey, got it out.
What's the next step, man? What you got shaking?
Well, you know, getting a little engine built.
You ain't gonna reveal it right now, is you?
Nah.
Yeah, hold on to that. Hold on to
'Cause
that.
they might want to see me in the street. Hey, y'all might want to see me in the street. Hey, we ain't gonna talk about that right now. We ain't gonna go
That
there.
man crazy as hell, boy.
Nah,
Y'all
I'm just
been
being honest.
y'all been watching us this long, man. Y'all know he crazy as hell.
Hey, I'm just being honest
I
though.
believe it. I believe it.
Nah, I ain't doing that radical.
Yeah.
Little engine don't put in there for right now. That blow up, then I'm gonna do
Yeah.
something else.
Yeah, we're gonna get on the road so we can start hitting them shows and pulling up on folks, ain't it right?
Pulling up on y'all, man.
Yes,
It
sir.
was about just networking, meeting good folks.
Yep.
Like the dude I got this truck from, man. My boy said down there in Augusta, man. He's a good dude. I called him today and he told me that the engine ran real good, ran real strong. He said he think just the valves need to be adjusted.
Yeah.
Cause they got a little tick to it, but he said it was running strong.
Yeah. And that's a 4L6 thing.
Yes, sir. But it need to be rebuilt though.
Yeah.
That's what he was telling me.
Yeah.
Me and him talked today. Bought the truck from the dude, what, a couple months ago. We still
Yeah.
talking.
Yes, sir.
So, you know, it's all good. Just networking, meeting good folk, man.
Yep. Hey, you ain't got a leaf blower?
Yeah, I do, but I'm going to reuse this stuff.
Yeah. It don't?
Hey, Money Muuch cheap, boy. I'm going to reuse it. Ain't that some damn salt enough. I'm going to reuse it. Put
Yeah,
it right
you
back
right.
in the pouch.
You sure right, boy.
That's all it
It
is.
soaked it up and still got dry.
Boy, because we dropped a lot on the ground.
All right. Well, we're gonna let Mooch get a yard cleaned up, man. We just pulled up on him, see what he was doing, get out the house a little bit.
Oh,
We
yeah, always.
waiting on them dogs to come on tonight.
Dogs against
8
Alabama.
o'clock
What y'all
against
think gonna
Alabama.
happen?
Yeah,
What y'all think gonna happen?
them dogs, man.
See me, I'm a rational Georgia fan. So I ain't one of these Georgia fans that be popping off all this
Yeah,
crazy
yeah.
talk.
Yeah.
But Georgia got a good defense this year.
Yeah.
Great defense this year.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He say he tried to trick y'all and say he had COVID.
Yeah,
That man ain't got COVID.
yeah. He was trying to get everybody's mind off of what they're supposed to be thinking about.
Right.
Let down their guard a little bit. So.
Hey, I want to see Georgia go out and do their thing tonight.
Oh yeah, we are, man. We are. Well, we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna let Moose get cleaned up. I'm gonna help him clean up. And I don't know what we got left in store for the day or the weekend or whatever, but if we get some more footage, we'll chop and screw it and bring it to y'all. We'll holler at you. Back in this thing with Money Muuch.
We're good.
What's up, bro?
Shit, not much, man.
We're finna go tow.
Another day, another nipple.
Yes, sir. We're finna go tow a truck, right?
Yes, sir.
Hey, come look at this act over here. Got the thing cleaned up. Tell me what you think.
Got the legend, huh?
Got the legend, boy. Got the thing cleaned up, ready for the road.
It's clean.
Trying to get my my foreign on like you.
Oh yeah, I done had me a couple deep. Not this particular model, but I done had a.
I left the key in the
I done had
office.
a
in there.
legend.
It done cleaned up nice, though, didn't it?
It cleaned up pretty good.
Hey, I think
I remember these used to be the car, boy.
that what I hear, man. You know, I was young back then.
Oh, yeah,
I wasn't in the cars, but
These were the cars.
that what I keep hearing, man. Hey, I know my dad went crazy over it, man. He only used to drive this on Sunday. He always talking about that act.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna stance that bad boy, man. Put some wheels on that sucker, man. What
You
you
gonna
think?
put that camber on it?
That camber on there, cuz. We'll see. I don't know. I might have to take it to somebody to do that. I don't know nothing about that stuff. Yeah, we finna run up the road, man.
Yeah, we finna go over here by Stone Mountain.
Yeah, we finna run up the road, get a nice truck, man. Bring y'all some good footage. This truck real nice. And we're gonna get it delivered wherever it's going.
This is my best friend's truck.
Money Muuch's best friend.
Yep.
Yes, sir. So we'll pull up in a little bit. We got to get some eats too, right? We got to get some eats too, right?
Man, you got me with my slides on.
Man, that's comfortable living right there.
Yes, sir.
So, Lil
yes,
Dave,
sir.
how you doing?
I'm
Good to see you again.
What's happening, Mooch? What's up, what? These seasons got it going on now.
Oh, Lil Dave got it going on.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, them 12s in the back.
Well, these ones heavy, boy.
10s in the front.
They ain't popping that top now, ain't they?
Oh, yeah.
Everybody can't do what we do.
Hey, tell them, D.
Everybody can't do what we do.
You hear that? You got no defeaser, boy.
How many people you know riding 10s in the front?
Not many.
Right. I bought the shackles and the hangers
Yeah.
instead of doing a flip kit. So I'm doing 4 inches
Okay.
in the back. And I'm gonna do 4 in the front because my truck level.
Yeah.
So I bought the spindles and I bought some lowering the springs for the front.
Yeah. What we can do, we can just roll it out, get it in the street, and then I can back up to it if I need to.
All right, come on out.
That song's gonna be sick when you drop it, boy.
Don't start cutting it over here this way. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What? That mother gonna be stupid.
Hell yeah.
You got
Yeah, I
some
like
money
them.
tied up in that truck now.
I like them.
Show 'em, D.
To preserve my paint, I found something slick for y'all. See, I had that scratch right there.
Yeah.
Plastic dip.
Ah, okay. Okay.
I like the shiny gloss black.
Yeah. Whoever painted the truck did this for you?
No,
No,
my
but who
engine
did
got it.
the engine man?
Oh,
Raw.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Raw do all that.
That sucker sitting down low in there, ain't it?
Yeah, I bought the engine mounts that are adjustable, so you can slide it back
Yeah.
and forth. This
Same one y'all got, I think.
Yeah.
Dirty Dango,
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
love it.
Yeah, that's a good looking wheel, man. That's the first time I've seen it in person.
Yeah, I've only seen them in pictures too.
Yeah.
When the sun hit them, it's a diamond pattern.
Yeah, that's pretty
So
slick.
you see that gray?
Yep.
It shines real hard in the sun.
Cause the first day we picked the truck up from getting the LS swap, I was in the Audi and D was in the truck. We were going so fast on 285 that the engine shut off in the Audi and he was still in front of me in the truck. The dashboard literally said, "You're going too fast" on the Audi.
I didn't have it calibrated.
That's sick right there, man. All right, let's get this thing loaded up. Got a little bit of light left. That sucker look good, man.
Yeah, it do.
Yeah, it's gonna look better when it get lowered.
Ooh.
Most definitely.
Once I get it lowered, I can redo my exhaust.
I'm gonna have mine where you can't even see my tip.
That's what the point. That's what
I'm gonna have to turn down like about right there.
That's it. Another one in the book. We got another one loaded. We're gonna strap it down and we're gonna get out of here.
10 toes towing.
Good day. I appreciate the business, man. We'll get it.
The
Appreciate
big
you.
dog, the big money man.
Hey,
Yeah, we're gonna get you over there.
wait till the LS get in there when they're in the garage.
And that cutting.
Yes, sir.
Yep. All right, let's get it strapped down, bro. Let's get out of here. Boy, them gas station lights hit different, boy. Them gas station lights hit different, boy.
They hit super different.
Damn. That thing gonna look good when it get dropped. That's where we taking it right now. He finna drop it. So it's gonna look good when we get it back. That thing gonna look damn good. Tell me what y'all think about the wheels, man. I'm thinking about putting them on the Impala. Y'all comment below. Tell me how them gonna look on the Impala right there. Same size, 22 by 8.5, 22 by 10.5. How would that look on the black Impala? What you think, Mooch?
Oh, I think it's gonna be hard.
All right, we just had to fuel up a little bit, man. We're finna get out of here. His bumper good in the front. Oh, you got it. Push me some more now.
I pull it. All right, whoa. Y'all gonna knock me down.
Another one in the books, man. You gonna get it right?
Oh yeah. Gonna be running tomorrow by lunch.
That's it.